Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello brothers and sisters, I am your my Quran friend. In this video, we are going to simply learn the proper recitation of the ayah.
اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون.
If you are new to this channel, I am Ajmal, my Quran friend. I am a certified Holy Quran recitation trainer and do personal training and making videos about the recitation science of the Holy Quran in Tariq al-Shatibiyyah, in riwayat of Hafs radiyallahu anhu, in qira'at of Asim radiyallahu anhu. So without wasting any time, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون. صدق الله العظيم. اتبعوا. Here you can't see a harakat for hams. Can't see a fatah or kasr or lam for this first letter of the word. Then how did I recite as ittabi'u? There is no kasr for the hams. That hams is hamzatul wasl. Hamzatul wasl. Okay. When we recite that hams in wasl, that hams will go on. Okay. Let me recite in hamzatul wasl. In that way you can understand it very easily. Okay. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين اتبعوا من لا يسألكم. I recite the earlier ayat and this ayat together without waqf. Okay. And then what happened? قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين اتبعوا من لا. There is no hums in wasl qira'ah. Okay. And when we waqf on the ayat's end, قال يا قوم اتبعوا المرسلين. Okay. And now we have to start with this starting word, ittabi'u. And there is no harakat for hams. No kasr, no fatah, no lam. Then how to recite it? Look this word, ittabi'u. First letter is hams and second letter is ta. We have to look on the third letter, third harf. Ittabi. Okay. Here the ba harf is third letter. If the third harf have fatah or kasr, the starting hams we should give kasr. Okay. If the third harf have the harakat lam harakat, we have to give lam for that hams. Okay. Here the third harf have the kasr and I am giving the kasr haraka to this hams. اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم مهتدون. Makharaj of ayn we have to careful about. اتبعوا من لا. The lam haraf came after the nun sakin and their hukum is idgham bila gunna. We have to idgham without gunna. Lots of people recite like ittabi'u man la. Okay, that is wrong. We have to remove that gunna. ittabi'u man la yas'alukum ajran wa hum muhtadun. Man la yas'alukum, and there the lam harf have the lam. Yas'alukum. Lots of people reciting yas'alkum. Ittabi'u man la yas'alukum ajran. Ittabi'u man la yas'alukum. They are very fast when they are reciting. They don't care enough about the harakat of each harf. That's the reason behind most of wrong qira'ats. So we have to careful each and every harf. And here يسألكم اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم not أجرا, not ajran, because the jim harf is a harf of qutb jad. We have to sukoon with qalqala. اتبعوا من لا يسألكم أجرا وهم أجرا و. The waw harf came after the tanween, and their hukum is idgham bi gunnah, and we have to give that idgham bi gunnah. Ajran wa hum, and the mim with shad we have to gunnat. Ajran wa hum muhtadun. The makharaj of ha and the madul adil in the muhtadun word and the gunnat asli at the end of the ayah. And let's recite together. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Ittabi'u man la yas'alukum ajran wa hum muhtadun. Sadaqallahul Azim. I hope you learned it very easily, understand it very easily. If you have any doubts, comment below. I will reply it inshallah. And please check the channel and check the playlist. You can find more previous episodes of this surah, inshallah. And dua for me, I will dua for you too, inshallah. And support me in this journey. Until the next video, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.